Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell for more simplified and exciting videos on stock market investing. Today, we're diving into the absolute basics of the stock market. Whether you're a total newbie or just curious, this video is for you. What is the stock market? The stock market is where shares of companies are bought and sold. Think of it as a marketplace, like Amazon or Flipkart, but instead of products, you're buying pieces of a company. Why is it important? It helps companies grow and gives investors like us a chance to make money. Key terms you need to know. Stocks are shares, a piece of ownership in a company. Bulls and bears, market trends. Bull means rising prices, bear means falling. IPO, initial public offering, when a company sells shares to the public for the first time. How does it work? You need a demat and trading account to start investing. Shares are traded on stock exchanges like NSE and BSE in India. Explain basic concepts like supply and demand affecting stock prices. Why invest in the stock market? Potential for long-term wealth creation. Beat inflation and grow your money. But remember, investing involves risks. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Common myths debunked. You need to be rich to invest. False. Anyone can start small. It's just like gambling. No, it's about informed decisions. You need a finance degree to succeed. No, just consistent learning and discipline. That's it for today's basics. I hope you found this helpful. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or video requests. See you in the next one.